This is the Lumberjack XP Series 20 volt brushless SDS hammer drill. And today I'm going to walk you through how to set it up, change attachments, use all of the functions and get the most you can out of this beast of a tool. If you've just got yourself one of these or you're thinking about buying one, here's a quick guide on how to get started and use this tool safely. In the box you'll get the SDS Brushless hammer drill, an auxiliary handle, adjustable depth gauge, this dust catcher, the user manual, and then a very useful set of attachments which are chisels and a few drill bits. Unless you pick up one of the kits, the battery and the charger are sold separately. To insert the 20 volt battery, just line it up with the rails, slide it in until you hear a click. To remove, just press the trigger and slide it out. This drill uses SDS Plus bits. To insert a bit, lightly oil it, push it into the chuck whilst rotating slightly and it'll lock into place. Just pull to check it's secure, and to remove it, pull back on the chuck sleeve and slide the bit out. To set a depth stop, loosen this handle, slide the depth gauge in, set your drilling depth and tighten it back down. This mode dial lets you switch between 4 key functions. Make sure the drill is stopped before switching modes. You've got hammer drill mode for drilling into concrete and masonry, rotary drill mode for drilling into wood, metal or plastic, and chisel mode for light demolition, tile removal or chiseling cable runs. This one right here is your chisel adjustment mode. This lets you rotate the chisel to the angle that you want, then switch it back to chisel to lock it in place. The trigger is pressure sensitive, light pull for low speed, full pull for max speed, ideal when you need a little bit more control, especially for starting holes. You've also got your forward and reverse options on either side. This drill has a built-in overload and temperature protection. If it cuts out under extreme load or heat, just let it cool for about 30 seconds and try again. It'll automatically protect itself and your battery. This drill covers a wide range of both DIY and professional tasks. Use it on your hammer drill function with a masonry bit for drilling stuff like brickwork or concrete. Switch to your rotary mode for use with SDS wood bits, or use standard bits with an SDS chuck adapter. Knock it in to your chisel mode to remove tiles, render, or open up wall chases. And for depth sensitive jobs, you can use the depth gauge for accurate, repeatable drilling. Quick safety check, make sure you always wear your eye protection and keep hair and clothing well clear. So that is a very quick guide on getting started with this Lumberjack brushless 20 volt XP Series SDS drill. It's compact, powerful and built for heavy duty DIY or trade use. Check out the link in the description if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. If you want to see more of my videos, head over to the Renovation Dan channel. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to the Lumberjack YouTube channel for more helpful tool guides.